Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I worked at IRS for a decade. I'm showing you the book I wrote. I can't even put this straight. Exposing the Secrets for IRS Tax Settlements. I do the part where it says the insider inside the tax resolution industry, and Peter does the offer and compromise program. I just want to show you the book. If you want to take a picture of the barcode, there it is. It's available on Amazon. I just want to tell you what the book's all about. The first half of the book kind of details the life of a revenue officer, what we go through. And I wrote the first half of the book. I actually have pictures in mine. I was going to put crayons in mine, but anyway, we do go over some really interesting things, but you do understand the life of a revenue officer. We go through the tax resolution industry, kind of a very overview to see what's going on with the industry. It's really become a really crappy industry. There's a lot of people in there that shouldn't be there. And then Peter goes ahead and exposes secrets for IRS settlements. Now, in that half of the book, matter of fact, if you see the cover was very cleverly designed. There's a room there with two people in there, and what most people do not know is really what happens inside when you work offers and compromise, what it's like. So I just want you to know it's not what you think. When you get an offer and compromise, it's a serious document, because what IRS is doing is they're compromising the debt, and these all go on public record. You could look up offers and compromise and see who settled their case. I think they're in the district office for about a year. You don't have the offer. They used to have the whole offer, some of it redacted. Now they have a cover sheet of what the offer is and what the settlement is, so the public actually could go in and see them. I think there's 6 regional offices, but some of the things you don't know about what happens when the offer goes in, the intake, how it gets assigned to somebody at the Internal Revenue Service, what graded person level works the case, the due diligence that is required. Really interesting. You may not know, they can pull up your credit reports, they can look at your charges, they do look at your Facebook sometimes, your Instagram account. They can look at all this stuff. The government has they can get information from any agency that they want through agency information. They can pull up LexisNexis, pull up financial statements you gave to third parties. So IRS checks these offers out. They do a lot of due diligence on cases. So this is a book really written by IRS agents, and you're probably going to know more about the offer and compromise program. If you do it yourself, good luck. But usually, if you really have a big dollar case, you probably want to use myself and Peter. We do really an excellent job. Peter's worked over, I think, 3,500 offers and compromise. He used to, when I say worked them, he signed off on them or reviewed them. When you do this, and he was like the chief in that department, so everyone had to have their offers approved by him. So anyway, yeah, someone has to do it. Anyway, we both collaborated on this book. I think you'll find it really enjoyable for the most part. But anyway, if you want to know what goes on, this is the book you want to get for now. If you want to settle your tax debt through the offer program, we're the ones you want to call. So give me a call. My number's up there somewhere. Give me a subscription. You'll learn a lot from me if you're going to do anything with IRS. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time.